guys, Jai Hind all of you. This is Amardeep and big welcome to all. First of all, yes, because guys, this is the time to welcome. We welcome also, guys. We welcome to all. Yes, and guys, as you know that this is the time. Today's time is 4th of April 2025. Yes, 3 day. 4 day, not 3 day, because this is also complete day. This day is also complete day. Also complete in the sense of only 2 hours, 2.5 hours left. Then definitely this day also complete. Yes. So 4 days complete in this month. Yes, guys, and we not regular count it, but also we do regular practice. Yes, practice. Which practice? Yes, speaking practice, English speaking practice, regular. Yes, and if we regular practice, step by step increase, then definitely after some time we realize that my speaking skill is developed as compared to my past. Yes, guys. So we regular do practice, more practice, and we regular do more knowledge gaining. Yes, more knowledge of English gaining. Then definitely after some time we will feel comfortable, and we speak comfortable English. Yes, in this time, guys. In this time, we not we are not connect our person to who speak confidently English. Yes, but after some time, I am sure, I am 100% sure, I am 100% sure, I sorry, we 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 speak English confidently and no any hesitation. Yes, then guys, we also sorry, I also record this time and publish on social media platform like YouTube, Insta, etc. Blah, blah. Yes, more social media platform in this time. But guys, today, now, but not now, let's start our daily learning, our daily connecting and learning session. Yes, so don't waste any time. Let's start, guys. Today we discuss about our social media platform. Do you know India's any social media's apps application? No. Social media platform like Facebook, Insta, YouTube, more, etc. more, and there are no any in India. No any founder. Leader. I mean what which mean मतलब कि मैं मेरा बोलने का सेंस यहाँ ये है कि मालिक, सोशल मीडिया का मालिक यहाँ का नहीं है. अरे यहाँ का हो वो मैटर नहीं करता, हम लोग का भारत का नहीं है. भारत का कोई भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है इन दिस टाइम. यस, एंड we want to more work on technology. Yes, technology. Then after some time, I regular repeat after some time, not in this time, because it takes some time. Yes, no no increase gradually. Definitely it is increasing gradually, step by step, slowly and gradually, but no increase develop directly, speedily to peak boom. Yes, guys, you realize that what I am talking. Do you understand that? If you understand, then and forget it. Don't mind, guys, don't mind. Our work our work is doing. Our, I mean, our opportunity is a unique opportunity, and no going, no coming opportunity. It want to work, then it is coming. Yes, with your mind focus concentration. Yes, definitely. So guys, basically in the time, no big social media platform. India's no any big social media platform. Avoid social media, right? Why we talking about social media? Why? So avoid it. No, I talking about social media. Guys, as you know that in this time, in this time, April month, there is now we talking about tariff, international level. Yes, like right now, Trump, U.S. President Donald Trump is uh, around all countries. He's give all countries guys tariff. Yes, our India's number is 5, and our India's is tariff now right now 26%. Indian goods 26% tariff. And Donald Trump, US President Donald Trump says that uh, after 7 days, yes, after 7 days, 2nd of April, he announced 26% tariff on India, and also he announced 9th of April, 52% tariff. So we see we will see on 9th of April, 10th of April, because India's and US time is different. Yes, I think 5 to 6, 5.5 hour. Yes, I think yes, 5.5 hour time difference. Yes, guys. So in this time, Donald Trump is more doing on tariff. Yes, and we also trapped in this tariff. Yes, but in this time, guys, our India's China relation and our Russia India relation, guys, one thing I add in this time: Russia, India, India, ex, India import, yes, import oil from Russia. Yes, and Trump says if any country export from Russia export oil from Russia, then I punishment 25% extra tariff. Yes, I do punishment like add more tariff on 25%. Yes, so basically this is not fair, guys. In this time, Trump, pagla Trump, I don't like Trump. Donald Trump says PM, our Prime Minister of India's PM Narendra Modi is my friend, but India's is more tariff, more taking more tariff on our US, yes, 100% tariff. He says we, our India, we do tariff 100% on American goods. So this is not fair. Only only we do, but he not do. Then this is fair. Yes. But guys, our India is in this time developing time. Yes, developing. And if we do regular work properly and confidently, then definitely, guys, after some time, we will realize, yes, we get my dream, my goal, my achievement. But guys, in this time, consistency is the most important part. And we we distract in this time, more distraction. So avoid distraction. I only talking, I not do, but I also do, I will do, guys. Yes, in this time I am doing to distraction, avoid distraction. Yes. So fully and finally, we are we are in learning time and doing time, more preparation, more gaining of knowledge, more practice, more physical work. Yes, welcome, I welcome back, guys. Okay, okay, guys, see you tomorrow on the next video, on next topic with fully energetic. Yes, definitely. Okay, okay, guys, see you tomorrow on next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, all of you guys.